So this is the part 3 of this video, and the topic says 21 questions to ask your partner to understand them on a deeper level. Questions that go beyond music preferences and siblings names. So I have my list here and we are in part 3. Part 1 was questions relating to life. Part 2 was questions relating to relationship. Part 3 are questions relating to fun, out of the ordinary ones. And number 15, that's where we are. So number 15 says, if you won $10 million, what would you do first? So it's more like trying to figure out what they actually want to do with money, but they don't really have that money. So if they get that money, what are they going to do with it? In as much as you might not have the money to support them. If you're a guy, you might have the money to maybe support them, or if you don't have the money to support them, you might help them to achieve that goal or that dream. So the second question, which is number 16, says, when have you felt your biggest adrenaline rush? Very good one. It might be when he met you. It might be the first time you guys had physical contact together. It might be the first time that something out of the ordinary just happened that you weren't expecting and you found it amazing. The next question, number 17, says, how do you wish to be remembered? So this is a question more like what you want to achieve in the future, like that goal that you want to put there, or how you want to put your name on the map. This could be a long-term goal. It's something you can help them work towards achieving, or whenever they are deviating, you can call them back and help them. Partnership is beautiful when you find someone that is ready to sacrifice. They are there to help you grow. The both of you are there to help each other grow, become better, feel loved. And if you're in a partnership whereby you don't feel loved, you feel maltreated, you feel rejected, I don't think there's any reason for you to be in such partnership. Then what are you getting out of it? The next question says, number 18, what fictional character do you most relate to? Number 19 says, if you could take us anywhere in the world right now, where would you take us? And you never can tell when you say this. If she or he has the money, they can even plan a getaway for you. And yeah, because everybody really wants to achieve what they want to achieve. And it is beautiful getting someone that will help you achieve that goal. Number 20 says, tell me a really, really stupid joke that made you laugh. So this part is out of the ordinary question, something that you both can laugh with and even joke about with. So the last question, 21, says, what is the most important thing to do on your bucket list before you die? It's basically more like what you want to be remembered for, but this is different. Maybe someone might want to be remembered for to be a good dancer. Someone might want to be remembered for to be a helper, somebody that built houses and put homeless people in a home. Now, one thing in their bucket list they might want to achieve before they die is maybe they want to build an estate. So it could be two different things. And knowing all these things, you don't need to know it for knowing's sake. Knowing these things is going to help you to help them to also achieve their dream. These questions will help you connect with your partner on a more deeper level, other than just what is your name, where are you from, what's your favorite food, what is your music preference, and all that. All those ones are just like basics. But this will help you connect with your partner on a deeper level. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to see you next time in my next video. Bye.